Welcome to Insight Knowledge. I am your instructor on this long journey of Python. In this course, we will diving deep into Python programming, from basic to advanced topics. By the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of Python and the skill to tackle real-world coding project. I am here to help you every step of the way, and I encourage you to ask questions if you are excited about Python. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and let's get started. So, the topic we will cover in this video: what is Python, why we use Python, or how we use Python, how Python works. We will also compare the Python language with other programming languages, how to install Python IDE, areas where Python used, and lastly, why Python mostly used by beginner, what are the reasons? Before starting this video, I would give you short introduction of my previous video. The main focus of my previous video is to give you a detailed and comprehensive introduction of Python, give you some details of Python before start this lecture tutorial. What is Python? Python is an interpreted, high-level programming language, which means that the source code is not directly translated into machine code. The Python interpreter executes it line by line.so. That's why we called Python is interpreted language. Now, we move on to what is high-level programming is. It is designed to be easy for humans to read and write. Python's cross-platform compatibility make it more popular. You are not bound to operate on only one operating system. Why we use Python? Python is used for various reasons. I will give you some examples: developing websites, developing softwares, data analysis, data visualization, task automation. In the upcoming videos, I will give you the details about these topics. Until then, remember this. As I already told you, Python is interpreted language, which means it doesn't need to compile like other languages, for example Java and C. Here, I show how Python source code runs. Do you know what is bytecode? Python does not directly translate the code in machine code. It compiles your code into bytecode, then it is executed by Python virtual machine. Now, the question come in your mind: what is PVM? Basically, PVM is responsible for executing the code. Now, we will discuss why Python is chosen over other programming languages. The reason are its readability, versatility, cross-platform compatibility, data science and machine learning, job opportunities, and many more. Before discuss how to install IDE, I would tell you what is IDE. IDE full form is Integrated Development Environment. T provides a set of tools for programmers and developers to write, test, and manage their code. I hope now you will understand what is IDE. There are many IDE available for Python. Some of them are PyCharm, Jupyter Notebook, Spider, Thonny, Visual Studio Code. You can download PyCharm from Anaconda platform. If you face difficulty in the downloading process, you can comment below. Now, we discuss areas where Python used. Python is used in a wide range of arenas. Here are some key areas: web development, data science, machine learning and AI, scientific computing, cybersecurity. You can search for more areas. Now, we move on to our today's last topic: why Python is mostly used by beginners. Here are some reasons. Python's clean and concise syntax emphasizes code readability. Python is user-friendly language. Python allows beginners to work on wide range of projects. Beginners can easily find answers to question and support for their learning journey. So, that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. If you have any queries regarding this video, do let me know in the comment section. Stay tuned for upcoming video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.